Good morning. I'm walking on a trail at the park that we stayed at for camping. And this is the trail. Tomorrow they're having a mountain bike race. And this is the trail that they're going to be using, this particular part of the trail. Some of the areas are flagged. There's no blazes anywhere. I'm using my all trails in order to navigate it. I mean, it's easy to find the trail. It's pretty wide, and but it's not blazed, so I can't tell where it goes. So I can make a nice loop. But yeah, it's gonna be a long walk. I haven't counted very many ups, rocks, roots, the normal stuff that you would see on a mountain bike path. I'll try to do all the rest of the trails. I don't know if all of them are mountain bikes. I don't believe so, but I started on this one, so this is it. All right. Later. All right, made it to the park boundary line. That's the fence. And see those flags up there? That shows the bikers. Oh, hey there, where'd you go? I don't know if you caught it, but I just saw a little chipmunk. So cute. All right. Now, if I go down that way, that brings me to along the fence. But I'm going to go back this way to do a loop, I believe. But those are the flags that are showing the bikers tomorrow which direction to go in. All right. Later. All right. I think I'm headed towards base camp. There's a whole bunch of tents up there. Got to see a few people practicing. I didn't bring a bike. It'd be fun to go through here on my mountain bike. But I didn't bring mine. And my brother didn't bring his. Very cool. Let's see. Base camp. Let's see what I can get into. Bye. Found a little bit of a rock path. Pretty neat. I didn't bring my walking sticks, but I'm sure I can do this. It looks pretty easy. Right. Wonder if it wasn't a drought in Massachusetts, if this would be filled with water, or more water. Anyways, all right. Later. Alright, found a really cool section of trail. It's not walked a lot, as far as I can tell. Lots of roots, lots of rocks, cute little bridge, some up. Very droughty here. Yeah. Going up. All right. Later. All right. Came to an interesting area. There's the trail. Neat little fluffy plants. Pretty smooth trees. That's where I came from. That's where I'm going. Alright, later. Alright, came up to a bridge. little mushrooms. Later. This park would be very, very pretty if it wasn't such a drought. This would all be water. It's all dried up.